I put my right foot first, moving in my direction, 'cause I got good intentions with you. You know I like the pressure of love. I was caught right in the dark, put a spotlight on my heart. Now I can't stop thinking about you. No, baby, let's just cut the space, 'cause I need you face to face. Move on me, my hands on your body. I want you and you want me too. Yeah. So come closer, I'm losing composure. There's one thing I gotta do. I put my right foot first, moving in my direction, 'cause I got good intentions with you. So put your right foot first, there's nothing left to question. You got my good intentions with you. Take you up, lay you down, baby, spin my head around. Pull me in, let's go out tonight. Take you up, lay you down, baby, spin my head around. Put my right foot first, my right foot first. Moving the floor, got me switching up my ways when I thought I couldn't change. I know you've been through it before, whoa, but I would never do you wrong. Let me show you all night long. Move on me, my hands on your body. I want you and you want me too. So come closer, I'm losing composure. There's one thing I gotta do. I put my right foot first, moving in my direction, 'cause I got good intentions with you. So put your right foot first, there's nothing left to question. You got my good intentions with you. Take you up, lay you down, baby, spin my head around. Pull me in, let's go out tonight. Take you up, lay you down, baby, spin my head around. Put my right foot first, my right foot first. Move in my direction, 'cause I got good intentions with you. There's nothing left to question. You got my good intentions with you. Take you up, lay you down, baby, spin my head around. Pull me in, let's go out tonight. Take you up, lay you down, baby, spin my head around. Put my right foot first, my right foot first.
Let's learn right foot first. It's choreographed by Fred Whitehouse. It is a 32 count, 4-wall improver level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn right foot first. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to step forward with our right foot. We're going to come up on the balls of both feet as we swivel both heels to the right, and then you're going to swivel both heels back center, putting your weight onto your left foot. We're now going to step back with our right foot. You're going to point your left toe forward, slightly angling your body to the right. We're now going to step forward with our left foot, squaring us back up to the 12 o'clock wall. You're going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 6 o'clock. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 3 o'clock, and you're going to touch your right toe behind your left. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're going to do your step swivel. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping forward with our right foot to face 6 o'clock. You're now going to lock your left foot behind your right and slightly pop your right knee forward. You're now going to do 2 walks forward, step right, left. You're going to lock your right foot behind your left and pop your left knee slightly forward. You're now going to step forward with your left foot. We're going to step forward with our right, do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 12 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just touched behind. You're going to make that quarter turn doing your step lock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do heel switches. So you're going to take your right heel, place it forward, quickly step your right next to your left and place your left heel forward. You're going to quickly step your left next to your right and place your right heel forward, and then we're going to clap our hands. We're now going to step our right foot back, and you're going to point your left toe to the left side. We're going to step our left foot forward and point your right toe to the right side. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our half pivot. You're going to do your heel switches. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a crosswalk. So you're going to cross your right over your left, step your left foot to the left side, cross your right over your left, step your left foot to the left side. We're now going to do a jazz box quarter turn. So we're going to cross our right over our left, step back with your left, make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 3 o'clock, and then step your left next to your right, and that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just pointed our right toe to the right side. You're going to do your crosswalk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And some styling on that, if you would like, is you can kind of bend your knees as you do the cross part, if you would like to add some extra in. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your step swivel. Step swivel, back, point, forward, half, quarter, touch behind, quarter step, lock, walk, walk, lock, step, half pivot, heel, heel, clap, back, point, forward, point, cross, side, jazz box, quarter, turn. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping forward and swiveling with your right. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. And after that jazz box, you'll go right into your step swivel. So now let's talk about the ending. Your final wall will be a 3 o'clock facing wall. You're going to dance all the way up until doing your cross side, cross side. Now, instead of doing our jazz box quarter turn that will put us at the back wall, you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, and you're just going to walk around to the front, stepping left, right, and that will be how you end the dance. You could also just step left and put your right heel forward if you would like. As long as you're walking to the front, that last step is kind of up to you, as long as you're stepping with your right to end the dance. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your step swivel. Step swivel, back, point, forward, half, quarter touch behind, quarter step, lock, walk, walk, lock, step, half pivot, heel, step, heel, clap, back, point, forward, point, cross, side, jazz box, quarter, turn. Now step swivel, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step swivel, back, point, forward, half, quarter touch behind, quarter step, lock, walk, walk, lock, step, half pivot, heel, step, heel, clap, back, point, forward, point, cross, side, jazz box, quarter, turn. Now your step swivel, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn right foot first. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
I put my right foot first, moving in the right direction, 'cause I got good intentions with you. You know I like the pressure of love. I was caught right in the dark, put a spotlight on my heart. Now I can't stop thinking about you. No, baby, let's just cut the space, 'cause I need you face to face. Move on me, my hands on your body. I want you and you want me too. Come closer, I'm losing composure. There's one thing I gotta do. You got